Hey there, foodies and Uber Eats enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your everyday apps. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to tip your Uber Eats driver after delivery in 2025. With the app getting even more user-friendly updates, tipping has never been easier or more impactful. Let's jump right in. First off, why tip? Well, your driver works hard to get your meal to you on time, especially in busy 2025 traffic or bad weather. A good tip not only shows appreciation but can also help them earn more for their efforts. Now, onto the steps. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version for all the new features. Once you're in, head to your order history. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen or under a profile tab. Find the delivery you just received and tap on it. You'll see a summary of the order, and right there, look for the Tip Driver button. It's more prominent now in 2025, with fun emojis to make it engaging. Next, select your tip amount. Options range from $1 to $20, or you can customize it. If the driver went above and beyond, like handling a fragile order perfectly, go for a bigger tip. After choosing, hit confirm. The app will process it instantly, and your driver will get notified right away. Pro tip. In 2025, Uber Eats has added a quick review feature where you can leave a short message with your tip, like, "Thanks for the speedy delivery." One more thing. Always check if you can add a tip right after delivery. If you forget, you have up to 24 hours to do it through the app. And remember, tipping isn't just polite, it's part of building a better gig economy. There you have it, folks. Tipping your Uber Eats driver is straightforward and makes a real difference. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below on your best tipping experiences. Stay hungry and tip generously. See you next time.